Welcome back to the channel, everybody. How are you doing out there this fine day? Welcome back to a junk removal job. Wait till I show you what we got going on today. Today we are taking apart all of these cubicles on this side. And then we are moving over here. These cubicles are going to go. All these cubicles are going to go. And the rest of these cubicles are going to go. So originally they had cubicles from here on down they decided to keep. So that is our task today. We got AJ stripping stuff down here. Got Carlos over there doing the same thing. And we got Mr. James over here trying to break his thumb.
No, you got star bits. These aren't star, they're Allen.
They don't fit? Oh, gee, what'd you do that for?
That's all you, Bubba.
Damn it. So yeah, apparently I got a T27 star drive and it's an Allen wrench drive. So shame on me, heading back to the hardware store. Something, right?
This is metric or standard?
Yes.
No, really, your answer is no.
The answer is absolutely, I have no idea. So anyway, I was finished up. All these chairs got to go. AJ's already started taking down the chairs. And we got to get all these cubicles out of here. So a lot of fun today.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I will tell you folks at home, every one of these chairs is total crud. Broken, doesn't roll. So before you think we're taking good stuff to the landfill, we're not. These are total junk. Oh, gosh. This is just a box of office junk. But this is how, if you ever wanted to get into the junk removal business, this is how you do it, man. You rent a U-Haul truck, figure that into your costs, go out there and start bidding. You don't have to have the truck first, you can work up to it. But my truck is back in the Quad Cities, and this job is about 2.5 hours away. So I wasn't gonna bring old Betty up here. I'm not sure she'd make it, and it was we drove through a snowstorm to get here. So as we began this job, we all kind of thought we were going to be able to get it done in one day, although we had provided for 2. We had a hotel reservation, and we thought we were going to be there for 2 days, but early on, we thought we were going to knock this out, and we could actually be out of there in one day. That turned out to be a pipe dream. There we go. Whew. All right. Hey, look at that, Yahtzees. Nickel and 2 pennies. We can go home now.
Hey, just wanted to let you guys know, I told our director that you were just joking that you guys could use a pizza, and she ordered pizza for everybody.
No!
So got some Casey's Pizza coming at noon, so...
Dude, you shouldn't have done
we'll
that.
have some slices.
Oh, jeez. Thank you.
I'll let you guys know when it gets here.
Yeah. All right, guys, just got done with some lunch, and now we got to get back to it. James is back to it before everybody, of course, because he's a workhorse. I just tried to cancel our hotel reservations. No go.
Don't cancel them.
Don't cancel them.
Because I don't know how long I allow us to be in here.
Good point. But either here, I'll take it. Either way, we can't.
So about 4:10, 4:20 today.
That's where you have to shut off.
Yeah.
Okay.
Right.
All right.
Yeah,
Good to
just
know.
wanted to make sure.
Okay.
What time is it?
12:30.
Okay.
12:35.
Okay.
So we're staying the night.
Yeah. No, that one just came apart.
Sweet.
All right.
All right, guys. Here's the truck. About 3/4 of the way there, maybe a little more. Gonna take all that and get rid of it here real soon. In the meantime, I gotta run to the hardware store, get another cutting blade. I actually thought about not using cutting blades today, not using this tool, not even bringing it with me, and I'm so glad I did. It's been a lifesaver. Well, we got the truck all loaded up. Got Phyllis here with me. We're at the landfill here, so we're gonna get this unloaded. So guys, this is where I made a little bit of a mistake. I knew that the scrapyard wouldn't take the chairs because they were more plastic than metal. However, these panels that we're throwing off here, they are mostly metal, and we did eventually check with the scrapyard, and the scrapyard wouldn't take them. So this first load I threw out in the landfill, and I wish I wouldn't have, but I did. All right, everybody, it's the end of day one. James worked his little hiney off. As you can tell, it's missing. Anyway, we're done for the day, and we thought for a split second this morning we might get done with the whole thing, but we made a huge dent. We are getting, yeah, like James says, we're getting kicked out, and which is fine. I'm really tired, but that's the last row of cubicles, a couple rows there we got to go through.
2.5 more hours, we would have had it.
James says 2.5 more hours, we would have had it.
Maybe 3. We didn't even get started till 10:30 by the time we got out here.
Yeah, it's 2 hours from home, so we got out here at about 10:30. We're beat, we're tired. It's time to go to the hotel and get the heck out of Dodge. See you tomorrow. Welcome to day 2. We got James over there. He's got all those panels, AJ way in the back there. He's got all those panels done over there. There's Carlos, King Carlos. Say hi.
Oh.
And yeah, that's all we got left. We got this all pretty much done. And you'll be happy to know we're about ready to take a huge load to the scrapyard to see if we can get paid. And this was the other area that we started yesterday. So on the downhill run, hope to be done here within an hour or two. Head for home. Yeah. James isn't happy. I've been gathering up some copper from these long posts of air, and he's been complaining about it the whole time.
He's taking too long doing crap today.
But he gets paid for the whole day, so what's he worried about? That's what I'm asking.
I lose money the longer I'm out. You make more.
Oh, that's right.
So that's why.
I like that.
I
like that setup. You know math.
I know math.
You do math?
And James has been humping. James tore every panel down by himself over here.
Yeah, he did.
And Shane's been taking naps and sitting in the corner.
What I do best.
He went and had Hardee's breakfast without us and gave us the continental breakfast that was like a cockroach breakfast.
I gave them the Baymont Hotel 5-star breakfast, and they're complaining about it.
And Applebee's.
And yeah,
Applebee's was good. I'll give you that.
No, wait a minute. Wait, I want one more. AJ, what did you say? What did you say? Where did we go last night?
We went last night to Applebee's and had fun, had a couple drinks, went to the motel, went to sleep, now we're working.
Now we're working.
But the Baymont breakfast we were told was supposed to be good. And I don't even think, AJ didn't even touch the eggs or the sausage because they tasted like rubber.
You ever have kids that are just don't appreciate anything you do for them? Yeah.
Shut up.
All right, got all these processed here, and this is all the copper wire we got out of there. So that's pretty good.
$18,000.
Is there a green light or something? Or? metal we just brought in today. And we're more to come. All right, everybody, we are back at the landfill with only landfill material this time. And we're running low on time. We've got to get back there. It's just me and Carlos this time. AJ and James are getting the metal outside the building. We have very little time left to get this job done, so we're a little bit stressed out right now, but it's all good. We will get there. All right. Anyway, we got to get all this out here. I'm not going to film it, but I got to get to work. That's all we got left is thumbs up. That's all we got. The last load has been loaded. I think we're done. We're going to run this to the scrapyard before they close. I think James and AJ maybe are going to be cleaning up. Anyway, just got to do a little sweep up here, get this thing done. It's funny, as you look across, you can see where all the chairs were, all the divots in the carpet. And that's it. So we're going to head to the scrapyard now. All right, guys, we're almost done unloading it. You can see the pile way over there and down here. I'll show you what we got left, and then I got to finish it up. That's what we got left on the downhill run now. All right, let's review what this looked like before when we first got here. And this is what it looks like today. 2 days. I'm very proud of these guys. They did great. Proud of James there. He kicked butt as usual. Thank you, James.
You're welcome.
Well, guys, I want to thank Carlos, James, and AJ for helping me out on this job. They did great. We bid this job for $6,200, and the company was grateful that we were there, that we took care of it in 2 days. They took video and photographs while we were there, and they shared it with everybody up to the top of the company. And they say that they hope to work with us again. So anyway, it was a great, great job. Didn't find too many treasures this time, but that's okay. You can't get that on every job. But I want to thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you so much for being a part of this channel. Take care of yourselves. Take care of each other. And we'll see you at the next treasure hunt. Bye, everybody.